7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The best I could do on that is 400. And the gold-plated silverware. And just like that, I got what's left over. Pirates hit his first thing Monday morning, and we are here at beautiful Alameda. It looks a little busy, but it's not the most happening. But we're gonna sell. Let's get going. We're gonna get up our tables, and then we're gonna do stuff. I literally have nothing. I have a little bit of stuff. It's all my Alameda stuff. Jack, you got your camera ready? You got your camera ready? I'm gonna go get in a fight with the highway patrol. I need you to film. You didn't see the highway patrol drive by?
They're doing something. They're up there set up.
They're recruiting. Yeah, they just pulled up. I can't believe you missed them. I'm gonna go get them to hit me with their car. I just need you to film it. Hey.
What you got for me today?
Not a lot.
Those already sold?
No, not yet. They're $10 each on those ones. Have a good day.
How much would you do for all of them?
Well, these bigger ones are 15 here, like these ones.
Yeah, some of them are broken.
Yeah, they're all new. So that's the way a lot of them come. They don't come with saran wrap on them because they're vintage.
Will you count them and see like a total for all?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 47 of them. The best I could do on that is 400. You could look them up. They're actually pretty pricey. Oh yeah, like 40 on average on eBay and up. Most of them are German military. Oh, you did get the chairs. That's right. You know, after you left, I was like, "Where's the guy who bought the stool?"
I came back, but you were all packed up.
Sweet, thank you. I did.
I thought somebody bought it. I thought I saw
No,
I thought I saw it go.
I had everybody ask about it, but they were weird, you know? Like, everybody asked about it, and then 20 bucks.
If you can go to 3 later, will you let me know?
How about 325 right now?
I think 300.
All right, give me 300. Let's do it.
I'll take a couple over and then I'm right there. I'll go get money.
All right.
How'd you do yesterday, Mike?
It's all right. Oh, that belongs over there. Bryce! Bryce! How much is the record? The one thing I have left out of this, I have a lot of sci-fi magazines at my house.
Yeah.
I made one lot to eBay, and then so far I haven't done anything else.
$10 for the sleeping bag.
As these guys is over here. Hey guys, how much is your sleeping bag?
Did you go like 10 bucks?
10 bucks?
$10 on it, yeah. No, I gotta go 10 bucks. It's fair.
This is nice.
Is it Goom Bop, man?
It's, I don't know. I think it's better than that. It's older. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Play us a song.
Play us a beat.
It's been a while.
Come on, you never forget. It's all right.
Yeah, I know, man. I know. I just don't feel like it right now, man.
But let's see.
How do you tune them?
This right here.
Okay, just height, higher, and
Yeah, higher or lower.
my guess is sat in a storage unit for
So
5
the other-
years. So
the small one's the Quinta, Tumba, and the Kalimba. It's 3 different types.
okay.
This one right here is me. This is called a Kunga. Kunga is the middle one. Biggest story of my life to see these guys, man, from Senegal, Africa, man. Man, they had callus on their hands, man. This goddamn thick, man.
From playing so much.
Yeah, for playing for their whole lives.
Oh wow.
And I'd seen him with I told him, he says, you play congas? He goes, let me see your hands. He goes, oh, you got girl hands. He goes, look at my hands.
this,
I looked at his hands like, God damn.
This is not the same as over there.
Thick like this,
No.
man.
Wow.
He go, I could play on steel for hours and they don't hurt me. I go, damn. It takes a lot of training. to do
Man,
that,
thanks
though.
for all that knowledge.
Uh-huh. Oh, yeah.
That's a pretty pricey art there. It's worth a few hundred.
We don't have nothing to store other than Alex.
It's like a Picasso remaker.
We're just going to grab.
I want 20 bucks for it.
Something
Can you
like
do
$4,000 or
50
$5,000 for it. It was
I think the name is Emu or something. Like, see, in me school, that's the name. Unless it's that guy sitting on the thing, but
It was closed a few minutes ago.
yeah, people steal things around here.
Yeah, they stole it.
Yeah, they're gone, huh?
Yeah,
It was closed a few minutes.
yeah.
Welcome to my world.
Those two, that's good.
Yeah, that's so annoying, man.
He's there on some of our eyes.
Yeah, because somebody just asked about it.
Yeah, the guy with his 2 kids. Someone came behind him or something.
Hopefully it's on camera. Hopefully we can rewatch this Baby J, rewatch the footage and notice if you see a guy taking it out of there. Yeah.
Oh, God.
Baby J's my security.
3 good hats in there that I would buy.
I would put it all on a lot on eBay if I wasn't lazy. That's where there's one big lot, but I don't have. If I put everything I had
At a certain
on
point, yeah.
for lots, I'd never have anything else. If I only had like 2 more me's, I'd probably be rich.
How's your daughter doing?
She's all right. She's back at the pizza place right now.
She's not doing YouTube anymore?
She is. What she's doing, I guess she wants to wait till she gets some more videos because every time she gets a few up, then she don't have them. Then she wants to get a few in the
Gotcha.
in the deck and then try to stay consistent. But she's getting actually into it. She was doing vlogs and stuff, which is a big step for her. No, it only goes on the guest. I think we sold it for 200. I think he sold it in Turd Lock.
Come to the side.
Sure. I'm gonna be packing up here in a second, but yeah.
Take this one here.
If you want to, just borrow my dolly and take him to your vehicle right now.
Okay, yeah. Are you sure he bring up there? He saw?
Yeah.
How you doing, man?
Hey, what's up, man? How you doing?
Pretty good.
Oh, I don't know. I just type in San Joaquin Fairgrounds on the map.
San Joaquin Fairgrounds.
A lot of guys die at 27.
Good.
Trying to make a living.
Yes, sir.
Do you want anything on my tables before I sell free? 'Cause I'm gonna give all this stuff away in a second. Some nice stuff, but I just have too much crap. I don't like things after it's been out twice. Even if it's nice, like that's a nice picture, but I just can't do it, you know? This is how I am.
That with Comet, baking soda, and Dawn soap. But it has to be like
Everything $1.
5.
close to $6, right?
Yeah, sure.
And then
That's not mine.
they were over there.
That's Scott's.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Where's he
Yeah.
at?
Okay.
My uncle.
Oh, over there. Okay.
Okay.
So 6. You have a bag, do you?
I have no bag.
Oh, that's cool.
You can.
How much is the tapestry?
10. Every doll now is worth a lot of money.
Yeah, I know.
80 bucks. I had a little girl
How'd you find out
crying.
this
I had a little girl
$2,000?
crying earlier because she didn't want to make an offer.
Why did they, how'd you find out that they sold it for that much?
Somebody told Manuel. It was like, you know how everybody is.
Just shut their mouth. I don't want to hear. If I sell you something for 10, you sell it for 2,000, I don't want to hear about it.
Are you?
Well, the dumbest thing is to tell people because then you're not going to get it again.
Right? Just shut up.
Oh yeah, $5 for that.
5? Oh,
Yeah.
I thought it was $1.
No, not all, dollars over there.
Sometimes, you know, it's just better just to keep your mouth shut. Like, I know people come back to me, oh, remember that thing you sold me? Oh, I sold it for
Yeah.
this amount. It's like, shut I don't.
Cause now I never sell that again.
Oh,
and then
yeah.
there's actually 2 of them. There's another one there too. No, in the white box too, right? Yeah. I think the top is the same, but the pattern is actually different. Like, they're pretty priced. Usually people want like $50 a piece on those. There's this new invention that came around like 2014.
Scanner, like
it's a bookcase.
I know. I have a bookcase that's full in there.
They make how do I get you last time on the yacht deck? The yacht desk? They make yacht bookshelves.
Yeah, most
You still have one, get the rest.
All right, they're gonna be gone. Everything's about to leave.
Nobody buys freaking books.
The reason I made that joke about the desk is one time I had a piano and some guy came to my storage and I found out it was actually like they're designed for like yachts. It has this front that folds up so the keys
really?
don't stay exposed. And the title of it's a yacht piano or
What'd you end
something.
up selling for?
I think I gave it away for $100. I got tired of it. I bought stupid unit for $50 that was 14 pianos.
Here is a
I list them to eBay one at a time, like 50 to $200 a piece.
You got signed first edition?
Yeah, they were from this.
Not Kipling.
I don't know if I have a Kipling. I'll have to look. I have like literally 40 books because this person collected books. I took these out yesterday and sold them at Alameda. I didn't feel like dealing with the
Did
first.
bottom sell?
They were some guy. I gave them away, to be honest with you. I just get too much stuff.
It's
But
just that you got to go through so many to find.
this was full of first editions. They weren't signed, but he had the first edition signed ones in plastic sleeves. So I just pulled those out, put them in my house. Like this one, yeah. See, they felt that one was special because very few books were put in the sleeve, but they didn't have the sticker that said it was signed, so I didn't really care. And I don't have time to deal with everything. It's an ugly shirt there, Jack. Ugly.
I knew you were coming. I would have definitely.
Editor, make sure we emphasize that this is an ugly shirt. Want to say hello to my editor? You don't know who it is, but you can say hello to them.
Hello, Mr. X.
Mr. X.
I know who it is.
The fall of
I'm one of the select few.
Right now he's smiling when he's watching this.
I'm one of the
I could
insiders.
picture his laugh because he has a very distinct laugh. I could picture him laughing as he listens to this conversation. It's kind of funny actually now that the first couple of videos I did knowing he was an editor, I didn't start doing it, but now like I talk to him during the video. I'll just say some, cut that out, or I'll make a joke that just for him. Maybe it'll help make it more entertaining for him. Let me know, comment below, Mr. Editor, if it makes it more entertaining.
If you want to learn chess, it's the best.
See, that's the really the key to chess, which I don't think people think
Two
about.
moves ahead.
You need to be ahead. Everybody's worried about their move and they don't think about like I play a lot with the little one, Evie. She likes chess, and I'm always telling her I have to think about what I'm gonna do next. But I love winning too, so I try not to let her win. She gets mad, but
This one.
I'm ruthless. I don't care if I'm playing against a 3-year-old or a 40-year-old. I want to win.
Don't give them medals for showing up.
As well, everything's free over here too. And just like that, and just like everything's free right here. Just like that, my market day is done. 641 I got with leftovers. I put 2 items away. This and the gold-plated silverware. This is cool stuff, but I have so much. It's time to turn and burn. I believe in the energy. Like I can make more, but if I give the stuff away and somebody else makes money, the universe always gives me more. It's the circle of life, energy, whatever you want to call it. So that's what I like doing. I don't got time. People get mad when I say I don't got time, but the fact is time is limited. My time is worth more. It could be somewhere else buying another unit and then letting somebody make something.